Good morning, student. Today we will learn 10th chapter of English word. It's the simple present tense of verb. Children, before starting this chapter, first we need to know about tense. There are three types of tense. First is present tense, second past tense, and third future tense. One by one, I will teach you about different types of tense. Okay, children. First, we will know about present tense. In present tense, there are three kinds of tense. First, the simple present tense. Second, the present continuous tense. And third, the present perfect tense. Children, in this way, we will learn past tense and future tense. Okay, student? Today, our topic is simple present tense of verb. Children, I want to remind you that what is verb. So, all of you listen carefully. Words that show actions are called verbs. Okay, student. Now, let's start about simple present tense. Simple present tense is used to indicate the following habits, regular events, current situation, and general truth or facts. Simple present tense, it is resembles the base form of a verb, but we add s or es or ies when the subject is in the third person or singular. For example, he, she, it. Children, another example in sentence, she jumps, he plays. Children, you can understand with the example, okay? That why we add s with jump and play with s plays. In first line written I do. Base verb in this sentence is do and I is first person. So we simply write I do. In second sentence he does. Here why we have added es with do? Because he is a third person. Okay, children. Now next example is you carry the load. The base verb in the sentence is carry and you is a second person. So we simply write you carry a load. Here we will not add s or ies. And when in the fourth sentence, in the place of you, see written, then carry will be written carries. Okay. We add ies because she is third person. Okay, students. So always remember with the third person, for example, he, she, it, and name we add as, is, es, depend on verb in simple. Okay, student, we have completed this chapter. I will give you your classwork in the class. Thank you. Have a good day.